Feeling like the vastness of the internet makes it hard to stand out? Trying to start an online business but wondering how to find your place, your specific audience, your unique offering? Then you need to talk about finding your profitable online niche. This isn't just about picking a topic. It's about discovering your specific corner of the online world where you can truly thrive. If you want to know how to find your niche online and make it profitable, this video is for you. Let's explore the art of finding your profitable corner online. Choosing a niche is one of the most crucial steps in starting an online business. Niche clarity provides immense advantages. Trying to appeal to everyone usually results in appealing to no one. When you find your niche online, you reduce competition, make your marketing efforts far more targeted and effective, and position yourself as an expert for a specific group of people with specific needs. This focused approach is key to building a profitable online niche. So, how do you go about finding your niche online business will flourish within? It's a process of exploration and validation. First, look at the intersection of your own interests, skills, and experiences with market demand. What are you knowledgeable about? What problems do you enjoy solving? Where do your unique abilities align with needs that people are willing to pay to have met? Your existing expertise can be the foundation for a strong online business niche. This step is essential for identifying a profitable niche. Next, think about problems. Successful businesses solve problems. What specific frustrations or challenges does a particular group of people face? Can your skills or knowledge offer a solution to that problem? Identifying these pain points helps you pinpoint potential online business niches that have built-in demand. This is a powerful way to find a niche for online business. Consider underserved audiences. Are there groups of people whose needs aren't being fully met by existing online businesses? Perhaps they need a more specific solution, a different style of service, or feel ignored by the mainstream market. Doing some niche market research online can reveal these opportunities and help you discover profitable online business ideas, niche-focused. Evaluate the profitability of potential niches. Is the audience willing and able to pay for a solution? Are there existing competitors, which often indicates a viable market, not a saturated one if you can find a unique angle? Analyze search demand using simple keyword research. Are people actively looking for solutions related to your niche ideas? This step helps confirm if you can find your profitable corner online. Looking at best online business niches can also provide inspiration, but remember to find your unique angle within them. Don't be afraid to get specific. The more focused your online business niche, the easier it is to stand out and become the go-to solution for that specific group. For example, instead of fitness coaching, consider fitness coaching for busy remote workers over 40. This level of specificity makes your marketing clearer and your offering more compelling within your chosen online business niche. Niche selection online business success often hinges on. It requires research, self-reflection, and a willingness to get specific. By following these steps, you move closer to finding your profitable corner online. Ultimately, finding your profitable online niche is about strategic focus. It allows you to serve a specific community deeply and effectively, which is the foundation for any thriving online business. Taking the time for proper niche selection online business rewards with reduced competition and increased relevance. So, don't try to serve the entire internet. Focus on finding your specific profitable online niche. By identifying a clear audience and a problem you can solve, you position yourself for success. If this guide helps you on your path to find your niche online, please give it a like. Ready to start your niche market research online and discover best online business niches? Subscribe for more strategies on starting an online business niche-focused and building profitable online business ideas niche-specific. What potential niche are you considering? Let me know in the comments below.